Welcome to another video of Embedded Blockchain. If you are new to this channel, I hope you enjoy our videos and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you are not new to this channel, then welcome back and don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, I will explain what is a base microcontroller system. First, let's begin with exploring what is a microcontroller. A microcontroller is the kind of miniature computer that you can find in all kinds of devices nowadays. A list of devices that contain microcontrollers are smartphones, microwaves, smart TVs, stereos, cars, digital scales, toys and games, washing machine, exercise equipment, remote controls, smartwatches. The most used devices nowadays are definitely smartphones and smartwatches. You probably have one of those and you have seen what they can do, but those are not the only devices that use a microcontroller. Microwaves have one to program the different cooking times and power level. Washing machines have a microcontroller that controls the washing cycle and time, also the water level inside the machine. So you see how microcontrollers are widely used nowadays and are becoming an important part of our lives. And why should you study microcontrollers? Nowadays, microcontrollers are part of our lives. We use them every day, sometimes without realizing it. When we text someone with our smartphone, when we turn on the TV, when we are driving the car, etc. Microcontrollers are also used in scientific high technology and aerospace projects. Airplanes, missiles, satellites. In the future, almost every device will be using a microcontroller. This will allow the device to become smart and make decisions to make our life easier. Understanding microcontrollers nowadays is very important if you want to get into the embedded development industry. This industry has been growing significantly for the last 10 years and will keep growing in the future. To better understand the expression embedded system, consider each word separately. Embedded means hidden inside so one can't see it. System means multiple components interface together for a common purpose. And what is a system? In order to understand better how microcontroller works, it is very important to understand a system. A system has inputs, performs a process. Usually the process wastes some kind of energy such as heat, noise, etc. and delivers an output. A system has inputs and outputs and must do something. If the system does nothing, then the system is useless. When the system does something, it is said to do a process. Usually when this process is carried out, there is a waste of energy. A process can be anything like cleaning dishes, vacuum, floor, process data, capture image, etc. Let's take a look at a few examples of systems that we use in our everyday life. The washing machine is an example of a system. It has inputs such as the voltage that we supply, the clothes we want to wash, the soap. It performs a process and delivers an output, which is the movement it produces to wash the clothes, and it also wastes energy. This energy is usually manifested in the form of noise and heat, which we can hear and feel when we are washing our clothes. For now, focus only on what process is. Right now, we're not talking about microcontrollers. Let's take a look at another type of system. The car is another example of system. It has inputs such as gas, oil, water. It performs a process and delivers an output. The movement it produces to transport us and it wastes energy. The noise and gases it delivers are considered waste. We can often hear the noise and smell all those gases produced by the cars. This is considered the waste energy. Now, let's take a look at some terms that you will often find in our embedded world. Another example is a smartwatch. A smartwatch is a microcontroller based system. It contains a microcontroller inside that runs all programs installed in it. The inputs are the touches given by the user. The process is the processing of the applications in order to show the information to the user. The output is the graphical interface that we see on the screen. The waste is usually heat. All this information is processed by the microcontroller and displays all those icons and text that you see on the display. The microprocessor-based system that happens to be used as a computer are called microcomputers. Formerly, we had what we call PCs, which had a CPU, memory, storage, and peripherals. Microcomputers are becoming very popular in the embedded world. Since everything is becoming about portable devices, we want something that is small and portable. These computers, although they are very small, they are very powerful and can process huge amount of data. The Arduino and Raspberry Pi are becoming extremely popular among developers who want to enter the embedded world. There are other microcomputers less common that are also available, such as the BeagleBone, which is very similar to the Raspberry Pi, but it has less support from the community. ARCAR, which is supported by Renesas. This is very common among developers entering in the automotive industry development.